Hi everyone, I'm Miss Allie and welcome to this week's episode of Random Acts of Science. Today we are going to be making exploding baggies.
In your bag, there is a zip top bag, some vinegar, baking soda, and a piece of toilet paper. To begin, head outside for this project or find a spot where it's okay to make a mess. Pour your vinegar into the plastic bag and then set it to the side. Lay out your toilet paper and place the baking soda on top. Fold and twist the toilet paper into a little pouch for the baking soda. Place the pouch of baking soda into the bag of vinegar and zip it up tight. Leave some air in the bag, give it a few quick shakes, drop it to the ground, and take a step back while you wait for what happens next. How this works. When the baking soda and vinegar are mixed together, they react to produce carbon dioxide gas, which is what quickly inflates the rest of the bag. As more carbon dioxide is created, it increases the amount of pressure inside, and once the baggie can no longer contain the pressure, it pops. To have more fun with this experiment, try changing around some of the variables by adjusting different amounts of baking soda, vinegar, or toilet paper squares. Increase certain amounts for a quicker reaction time, or you can change the size of the bag you use.
I hope you had fun with your exploding baggies. Thank you for joining me on this week's episode of Random Acts of Science. This program has been sponsored by PBS Kids, and you can find lots of great content on their website at pbskids.org. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you next week.